Efficient grater. This crank cheese grater requires little pressure and folds for compact storage. Versatile food shredder. This handheld grater is ideal to use for hard cheeses, chocolate and nuts. Compact kitchen grater. Non-slip knob and easy disassembly is ideal for left and right-handed use. NSF Restaurant Certified. This cheese and vegetable grater meets standards to protect public health. Zyliss Kitchen Accessories. Zyliss kitchen tools are favored by everyday cooks, gourmet chefs alike. Every cook deserves the best kitchen tools and accessories. The Zyliss Restaurant Cheese Grater is great for everyday cooks and gourmet chefs. This rotary cheese grater with a handle is suitable for left and right-handed cooks. This food shredder and grater is designed to work quickly and with little pressure. The drum handle folds into itself for compact storage, while the grater disassembles easily for a fast cleanup. The comfortable non-slip finish on the rotating knob makes this kitchen grater user-friendly. Whether you need to grate hard cheeses, chocolates, or nuts, this handheld food grater meets all your needs. Dishwasher safe. Product details. Care, dishwasher safe. Warranty, 5 years. Dimensions, 4.45 by 3.15 by 6.3. Weight, 0.36 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. It is easy to use and to clean. I noticed someone wrote in their review that you can't get barrel out to clean grater. At first, I thought the grater didn't come apart because I couldn't get the handle off. I watched the video and saw that it did come apart. I had to use a thick cloth so as not to cut myself, but got enough leverage to unscrew the handle. I just won't put it back on so tight and it will come apart easily from now on. I really like this grater and would recommend it.